Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove a secondary WhatsApp account in the new multi-account feature. With WhatsApp latest multi-account feature, in here you can sign into multiple accounts within a single app, like similar to Instagram and TikTok. And this will make it much easier to switch between your personal and business account without constantly logging out and logging back in. But if you no longer need one of the account, you can remove it from your device anytime. And here's how. First just open WhatsApp and then just switch to the account that you want to remove. In here I already on the account that I want to remove. But if you want to switch the account first, you can just tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner and then just simply tap on switch account. After you already add the correct account that you want to remove, just tap on settings, this one, and then just tap on account like this, and then in here just scroll down until you find the remove account options, this one, and then next just simply tap on it, remove account, and then in here just confirm your choice by tap on this red button at the remove account button. Just tap on it and then just tap on remove like this, and then just confirm again, remove account. And just like that, your selected account will be removed from list of accounts on your WhatsApp app, while your other sign-in accounts will remain available like this, and it will automatically switch to your remain account. And if you ever want to use that account again in the future, you can just simply add it back by sign in again at the multiple account. And okay, that's it. That's how you can quickly remove a secondary WhatsApp account using the new multi-account feature. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.